Hello, this is AWire and welcome back to another video. Now today it's kind of rainy in Tokyo, so I am about to ride some indoor park. So yes, I'm back again at Trinity and yeah, it should be awesome. So let's no, one more. Let's go. Alright, so I am just about finished wrapping up riding. So I'm now in the bike slash skate shop, and this is where you can get all your bike parts, tires. Got some complete bikes here. Might have to get this one for Amy-chan. But yeah, so far so good. It's going great. Let's go. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this one. I mean, it was a nice session, short and sweet. So until the next time, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next